Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how you're going to earn revenue as a teacher on Skillshare. And you have two primary methods in which you are going to be paid. First, you're going to earn revenue through royalty payments. And this is going to be based on the number of minutes that students watch your courses over the course of a month. You'll also be paid for the number of premium referrals that you make. So when people sign up for Skillshare and they choose to get a premium account, you will receive $10 for every sign up that comes through your referral link. So at the end of the month, Skillshare will calculate the number of minutes that have been watched in your courses, as well as the number of referrals that you'll make, and then they'll pay you on the following 16th of the month. Now you will need to have PayPal set up inside of your account. That is the only method currently that Skillshare has in order to pay you. Now if you are a teacher outside of the US, you will need to go into your PayPal account, go into your profile in My Money, and then make sure that you add in US dollars as a currency for you to receive, so that you can receive payments from Skillshare. Now as a point of reference, students watch your course and they're doing so without having paid for the course. You are not compensated for those minutes. So you want to think about that before you choose to offer a free access link to your course. You will have that opportunity when you get to the promotional section inside of your course creator. Now month to month, Skillshare will contact certain instructors and will allow them to participate in bonuses where they can earn additional revenue based on specific activities. If you'd like to see what some of those activities have been in the past, what you'll want to do is to go to the promotions area of the teacher questions, and you can look through some of the past options. Now one of the things you'll notice when you click inside of one of these promotional banners is that you'll need to have been contacted by Skillshare staff directly about the promotion before you can participate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.